Reggae interviews. Word sound power.
DJ 745 for Reggae interviews here live at Reggae Land 2024. He's just fresh off a plane from Germany. MDotR, how are we doing today, sir?
I'm good, my brother, man. Respect. Good, man.
What a joy it is to hear so many thousands of people here in Milton Keynes in the UK representing for reggae and dancehall music.
No, for real, man. It's a joy, and it's a real joy, for real, man. For real.
And the timing of this festival, I mean, the news that we've had just literally in the last few days, the world boss. What can we say?
I just think it's a really good moment to be alive for dancehall music, and I think like it's just, I think every other genre has had like a good run, and now it's our time to be the forefront again, dancehall and reggae music, yeah? Before all of that, it was dancehall and reggae music, so let's just don't forget that, and I'm so glad. I feel like it's because it's not just Vibes Cartel, you know, every artist is working, but Vibes Cartel was just brought that everyone's just got that positive energy now. It's a real good vibes, man. Yeah.
I think that, you know, the coming weeks and months are going to be interesting to say the least, to see what happens.
I'm just waiting to hear about the show. As soon as I hear about the show, yeah, I'm gone to Jamaica. I'm gone.
You're no stranger to Jamaica. I know you go back and forth quite a bit. Give our viewers a little bit of an insight into your musical journey, because you've not followed that traditional route. Your music has been primarily sort of like heard through social media, hasn't it? Things are just blowing up week by week by week.
Yeah, no, definitely. I had a lot of like viral moments with like freestyles and stuff like that on BBC One Extra and various other platforms, but I never really had a hit. I never really had a song, and I think the universe just made me do it, because even the Turn Red song was a freestyle that I'd done in Jamaica that went viral, but then we actually just did record the song in time, put it out, and the rest is history. Yeah.
I mean, your experiences or vibes of recording in Jamaica, it's a pretty militant society, isn't it? When you first reach into Kingston, Jamaica, you kind of have to put a screw face on.
Yeah, no, it's a tough place, man, and yeah, man, you can't shiver down. You know what I'm saying? But it makes me work. Kingston makes me work, because like, I don't matter how tired I am, the man them just, yo, go in and shoot them, man. They don't ramp with it, and I love that. You know, work never stops in Jamaica, never ever stops, and I feel like when I go there, that's where I build up all my real like content and music, and then I, you know, come back to London and the UK and stuff, and then spread it out. But it stems from Jamaica, all of it, you know. Yeah.
I mean, for you, how important is it for you to actually be vibing in the studios in Kingston? Because I mean, you know, Kingston is the capital, it's the mecca of reggae and dancehall music. Do you feel more of a spiritual vibe or connection when you're there in the studio with other artists and producers?
Yeah, 100%, man. Especially as an Englishman, you know, being a white Englishman, just the vibes, it means so much more to me. Yeah, it's like, okay, this is how it's meant to be. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah.
What can we look forward to? What's forthcoming from MDotR that we need to be looking out for?
I've got some really good songs dropping real soon. I've got a song with Cutty Ranks that's coming out soon. We done that last time I was there in Jamaica. I've got some really good songs ready to be released. We've got a lot of shows coming up as well. So I'm literally, we're out every single weekend at shows. And just look out for a lot more good music.
MDotR, it's been a pleasure to talk to you today. We're looking forward to seeing you performing later on as well. Give thanks, one love.
Respect and manners.
Reggae interviews. Word sound power.